So let us now learn another method of uploading our ASPNETCore project to the Azure portal. So this is a second method. The first method I have already explained in the previous tutorial, and right now this is our project that we have to upload to the Azure portal, and this program.cs file, etc. This I have already explained in the last tutorials, and now it's time to upload it. We'll upload it by a second method right now. So briefly let me explain the steps. First of all, as I stated earlier, you should go to the Azure and create your own account. Be careful about accidental billing clicks. And after that, when you log in into your control panel, when you log in into your portal, you will have to search either by using create a resource button. Use this one to create a resource, or if it is already listed, your objective is to reach app services, and when you click on this app services, you will have to create your project, select all that subscription, your resource group, etc. After doing that, your project will be shown somewhere, and then this you can see the previous tutorial where I probably showed all this, and then you will have to click on this download publish profile. This download publish profile will give you a file that you can use in the next step. And now let me in fact take you through all these steps practically. So here is my Azure portal, and I have logged into it, and my app services is visible here, and therefore I can create my account as I've done already in the previous tutorial by using create, and assuming that I follow all those steps, I have created, let us say this one, Hoven test. So this is the service that is already running, and in fact this is a service that I am using in this whole project also. This is just a test service. I'll ultimately be deleting it away, so it's only for explanation. Click on download publish profile and wait for the download to happen, and open this, cut it and get it somewhere on your desktop so that we can use it in our next step. So you have to basically download your publish profile. That is the main thing that I'm talking of, and I can now close it away, and I will now open my Visual Studio project, and here on this you can right click. We'll right click here, see the publish, and instead of clicking on Azure as we have done in the previous video, that is one method. You can use this import profile. Select import profile this time and click on next, and this is publish settings files. We'll go to the desktop where we downloaded it, and from there this is the file. Click on open, and this will contain all the passwords, everything, so be careful about it, and click on finish. So you will see something like this is created with success, and close it. And now here you can select zip deploy. Zip deploy is a bit fast, and click on zip deploy, and here you can go through all the possibilities. You can in fact have a look at the settings of this. These will give you the framework option, etc., and the configuration, target framework, portable or whatever. Better to leave them as such. There is no issue at all. So but if you want a bit more finer control, then you can select FTP or web deploy. Click on web deploy, and we can see the other settings. Now this gives you a little more control. Remove additional files means remove everything before you upload this one. A clean installation. Something about databases, if we use them at all. Those all stories can be fine-tuned. This is already selected in your this zip deploy. So it depends, like sometimes we want to remove all the files. In that case we can fine tune it, and once you have made the selection, then we can just click on publish and wait for the process to complete. So it takes some time publishing and all. So it's as simple as anything. We don't have to struggle with all FTP and all. Everything is automatically done. It says it has succeeded, and in most cases it will open it also. It is opening the control panel on its own. I haven't done anything. So this is quite good and handy. So all the three LEDs are on, and this all we have discussed. I'll close it right now. Thank you.